Something was holding the girl's skirt up. Or why is this luxury car stuck on the train tracks? Or act stupid like this girl. Hi, let's explore and analyze with me to have memorable lessons and better ways to handle traffic situations. Let's go. Why did the car sway so many times? It must have been going pretty fast, I thought. This red car seemed to be in a hurry and was going quite fast and suddenly met an oncoming car and could not control the steering wheel. The passenger car completely lost control and caused a major problem on the road. What a pity for this luxury car. The chassis is low, so it got stuck on the train tracks, even though it was carried quite a long distance by the train. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. In this case, the black car is quite weak. Oh look, the car is going so fast, it's quite dangerous. These two cars caused serious traffic jams because of personal matters, affecting many people. Oh look, why is that girl acting so stupid? Once again, thank you very much for watching the channel's videos. Wish you a happy new day. The car took a sharp turn on the highway. It was not safe at all. As in this case, fortunately the car was very stable and safe at the moment of impact. Tankers carrying materials like this often lose control while moving. You should be careful. Oh, this moment the traffic is quite strong, because the speed of the cars is quite fast. What is this girl in a hurry to do, while her dress is caught on the motorbike? If you feel you have gained a lot of traffic knowledge from the video, please leave a comment to let me know. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.